Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on the X. I will do a quick recap on my previous analysis on the XY. What I was expecting on the XY, we can see that there was this break of trend line right here. I saw a break of structure as well, so I said there is a possibility that we might push down to retest this trend line right around here before we now know what next. That we're going to do retest trend line, which is also aligned with my negative 27% fib level. So I said there is a possibility that we might actually come that dip before we now started to zoom to the upside, because overall we can see this was broken. So overall I'm expecting a bullish move overall, but as we can see that we did not get to my negative 27% fib level. We just started pushing to the upside. So I'm gonna delete my previous analysis and reanalyze based on this current price action. So what am I seeing currently on the XY? I'm still seeing a push to the upside on the XY because overall we are an uptrend. If I go to a bigger time frame just for us to see, let me go to see what we are looking for. We can see that we are currently breaking this. We broke this trend already and it's continuing to push to the upside. So overall my target for the XY is still 107.923. That is my first target. I think you're gonna push up to that level, and my second target, in case if we get to that level, will be probably 1.0.577 because of this imbalance around that area right here. It might push to the upside before we now continue to the downside or push to the upside, right? But we can see momentum of buy on the XY, so certainly I'm expecting more continuation to push to the upside on the XY, right? So now let's see, since we know we are currently on a buy trend overall, I can put a trend line here just to show us what we are looking for, and change the color of that. So we can see right here an uptrend right here. So let's see how that will play out, because I think we're gonna push to at least 107. Let me zoom in a little bit to see if there is, let's see, okay, so let's see how that plays out, because my next target will probably be my negative 61.8% fib level, which is 107.448, around that area right there. Let's see. So we can see that we are still breaking structure right here. I can come here and say there is this break of structure here, right here. There is this break of structure here as well. So that shows that we're still going to continue to push to the upside. Let's get to a more smaller time frame just to see our next move, right? So where we are right now is a little bit indecisive right now. We might continue to push up, or we might push to the downside a little bit. So I'm going to draw, you can see I'm going to draw a small zone here for us to continue to push to the upside. I want it to at least come down here to break the trend line right there. Clone that. So this is what I am working on. right here. So because of where we are currently, it's kind of indecisive on what we are supposed to do, what next our next move is. But I will be expecting, if I see a break of zone here, they'll probably continue to ride it to the upside. Then if I see a break of this previous low right here and it candle close below the zone, then we'll probably see it around this trend line right here before we either push to the upside or break this trend line and possible gets to my negative 27% fib level because of this zone right here. I can draw a zone here. We see that there was this break of zone right here and it hasn't retested yet. So if you're going to the downside, that would be my target right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw a scenario, like if you're pushing to the downside before I sell, I want it to break the zone, break this trend line, come back to possible give me a retest, then continue to around this area right here, which is my target. But if you're pushing to the upside, then we have to determine our next target, what we might put to the upside. So I think I might come here a little bit, break it, give me more, something like this. So if you're pushing to the upside, that is what I'll be expecting for it to do. So like I said, the XY is a little bit indecisive of where we are moving right now. We just have to be patient to get out more information for us to know our next move on the XY. So that is my thoughts on the XY, guys. If you find it helpful, if you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.